This is Total Television reporting from the FTTH event in Milan. I'm Brian Dolby and I'm talking to Brian Leonard, who is a product manager at Fujikura Europe. Brian, you have your new version of Fuse Connect, version 2 I think. Tell us what are the advantages of this new product?
Well, basically based on customer feedback, they didn't like the previous model, which had a Kevlar embedded splice protector, and it had a requirement for an external heater. There was a bit of negative feedback from customers about the installation process, the assembly process. So obviously we fed that back to our R&D engineers who developed the version 2, which actually is a small form factor. So what we've done is we've dramatically reduced the size of the connector to make it fit better into various different applications. But the biggest advantage is the removal of the external heater system, because many customers actually asked, why do we need an additional heater when we already have a heater on the Fusion Splicer itself? So yeah, big advantage.
And you're getting a good reaction?
Oh yes, we've already had some very good success in Europe.
So I know that you've had products ready for FTTH for several years, and now FTTH seems to be ready for them.
Several years is a little bit of an understatement. I've been with Fujikura Europe for around 11 years, and I've been promoting FTTH products for 8 years, and it's really nice to actually have some success finally.
Yeah, I think over the last few months you've had some really notable successes in this actual area of your business.
Yeah, we've even had some success from this show, which has more than justified the expense of being a sponsor here.
I thought you had a bigger smile on your face than usual.
Yeah, I'm very, very happy.
That's great. I mean, generally and more seriously, I think there's a general buzz and a feeling that this is now probably the premier event for this kind of technology in Europe.
Oh, by far. It's a real opportunity to meet decision makers within the industry, and it's an event that this is our first time here, and it's going to be the first of many times we're a sponsor.
Okay, well, I'm glad that's been so successful for you. I'm glad that you've had so many wins in the last few months, and best of luck, and we'll speak to you again soon on Total Television.
Look forward to it.